Your body was designed for 5 fundamental movements. These aren't just exercises, they're the foundation for moving pain-free, building real strength, and staying capable for decades to come. Master these, and everything else falls into place. First up, we have the goblet squat. If you're thinking this is just another basic squat variation, think again. The goblet squat is the foundation of human movement. If you can't squat properly, you're missing out on the most natural position your body is designed for. This single exercise builds lower body strength, improves hip mobility, and teaches proper movement patterns that transfer to everything you do. To perform it, hold a dumbbell or kettlebell at chest height with both hands, keeping your elbows tucked in. Stand with feet shoulder width apart and toes slightly turned out. Lower yourself down by pushing your knees out and sitting back, keeping your chest upright and the weight close to your body. Go as deep as you can while keeping your heels flat on the ground. Drive through your entire foot to stand back up. Start with 3 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions and gradually increase weight as you get stronger. What makes this movement so powerful is that it reinforces the squat pattern your body has been doing since childhood. The front-loaded weight keeps your torso upright and prevents you from leaning too far forward. When done correctly, it strengthens your quads, glutes, and core while improving ankle and hip mobility. The key is keeping your knees tracking outward throughout the entire movement. When they collapse inward, the exercise loses effectiveness and places unnecessary stress on the knee joint. After a few weeks of consistent practice, you'll notice everyday movements like picking things up, sitting down, and getting out of chairs become effortless. Now that you've mastered the squat, it's time to learn the hinge, the second fundamental movement pattern. The Romanian deadlift teaches your body how to bend at the hips while keeping your spine neutral. This is crucial for protecting your lower back during daily activities like picking up groceries, tying your shoes, or lifting anything off the ground. Begin by standing with feet hip-width apart, holding a barbell, dumbbells, or kettlebells in front of your thighs. Keep a slight bend in your knees throughout the movement. Push your hips back as if closing a car door with your glutes, letting the weight lower down your legs while maintaining a flat back. You should feel a stretch in your hamstrings. Once you feel the stretch, drive your hips forward to return to the starting position, squeezing your glutes at the top. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Focus on the hip movement, not bending your back. Your shoulders should stay pulled back and the weight should travel in a straight line close to your legs. If your lower back rounds, reduce the weight or don't go as low. The movement comes entirely from the hips pushing back, not from bending the knees. Your knee angle stays relatively fixed while your hips do all the work. This exercise builds hamstring and glute strength while teaching proper hip hinge mechanics that protect your spine for life. The third fundamental movement is the push. The push-up is one of the most effective upper body exercises because it engages your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core simultaneously. Unlike isolated machine exercises, it teaches your body to work as a complete unit. Start in a plank position with hands slightly wider than shoulder width and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core tight as if someone is about to punch you in the stomach. Lower your body by bending your elbows, keeping them at roughly a 45-degree angle from your torso. Go down until your chest nearly touches the floor, then press back up powerfully. Perform 3 sets of as many quality repetitions as you can maintain with good form. If standard push-ups are too challenging, elevate your hands on a bench, box, or countertop to reduce the difficulty. Keep your body rigid throughout. No sagging hips or pike position. Your body should form one straight line from head to heels. The moment your hips drop, you lose core tension and the exercise becomes less effective. As you get stronger, you can add variations like close grip, wide grip, or decline push-ups. This movement builds pressing strength that carries over to every pushing motion you do in daily life. The fourth movement pattern is the pull. The pull-up is the king of back exercises, building upper body, pulling strength, grip strength, and overall body control. If pull-ups are too difficult right now, the inverted row is an excellent alternative that develops the same movement pattern. For pull-ups, grip a bar with hands slightly wider than shoulder width, palms facing away. Hang with arms fully extended, then pull yourself up by driving your elbows down and back until your chin clears the bar. Lower yourself with control back to the starting position. Start with 3 sets of as many reps as possible, even if it's just 1 or 2. For inverted rows, set a bar at waist height or use suspension straps. Grip the bar with arms extended and body in a straight line and heels on the ground. Pull your chest to the bar by squeezing your shoulder blades together, keeping your body rigid. Lower with control. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Start each repetition from a complete dead hang with fully extended arms. Using momentum defeats the purpose of building true pulling strength. Both movements strengthen your back, biceps, and grip while improving shoulder health and posture. The pulling motion counteracts hours of sitting and hunching forward, making it essential for balanced upper body development. The final fundamental movement ties everything together. The farmer's carry is the most functional exercise you can do. It's literally just walking while holding heavy objects. This movement builds total body strength, improves grip endurance, and teaches your body to stabilize under load. To perform it, pick up a heavy dumbbell, kettlebell, or any weighted object in each hand. Stand tall with shoulders pulled back and core braced. Walk forward with controlled steps, maintaining perfect posture. Don't let the weights pull you to one side or forward. Keep your breathing steady and your shoulders level. Walk for 30 to 60 seconds, rest, then repeat for 3 to 4 sets. If you want to increase difficulty, use heavier weights or carry them for longer distances. You can also perform single-arm carries to challenge your core stability even more. Keep your shoulders level and your spine neutral throughout the walk. If the weight causes you to lean or drop one shoulder, reduce the load. This exercise improves grip strength, shoulder stability, and core control while building mental toughness. It's the ultimate test of functional strength. To bring these 5 movements together into a complete routine, perform them 2 to 3 times per week with at least 1 day of rest between sessions. Start with goblet squats for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Follow with Romanian deadlifts for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Move into push-ups for 3 sets to near failure. Perform pull-ups or inverted rows for 3 sets of maximum reps. Finish with farmer's carries for 3 to 4 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. When it comes to progression, use this simple rule. When you can complete all your sets with perfect form and the last 2 reps don't feel particularly challenging, it's time to increase difficulty. For the goblet squat and Romanian deadlift, add 5 to 10 pounds. For push-ups, decrease the incline or add a rep to each set. For pull-ups, aim for 1 more rep per set. For farmer's carries, add 10 pounds per hand or walk for an extra 15 seconds. Focus on quality movement over speed or weight. The entire routine takes about 30 to 40 minutes and covers every fundamental movement pattern your body needs. Done consistently, these 5 exercises build balanced strength, improve mobility, and create a foundation for any physical activity you want to pursue. Within just a few weeks of regular training, you'll notice significant improvements in strength, posture, and how your body moves through daily life. This isn't just another workout. It's a system designed to build strength, mobility, and resilience for life.